how to add an end screen or cards to promote similar content. Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to be telling you guys how you guys can basically promote similar content on your YouTube channel at the end of your videos. So if you guys don't know, YouTube actually gives you the option to attach end screens or cards. So simply open up your YouTube channel. After that, click on the top right, go into your YouTube studio, and then after that, once you guys go into your YouTube studio, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to be seeing. Now from over here, click on content, and now simply choose the video that you guys want to add an end screen to the end. So over here, let's say I want to add an end screen over in this video, so I will simply click on it, and then after that, on the left side, I will click on the editor. And then as soon as I click on the editor, it's going to take me over here. And now over here, you guys can see that now I can simply click on end screen plus icon over here. And then this is going to allow me to basically add in an end screen over at the end of my YouTube video. So now from over here, you can choose what you want to show in this particular end screen. You can basically recommend a video, you can recommend a playlist or a subscribe button or a channel that you want to promote. So over here, let's say you want to promote similar content. So click on video. And then after that, choose best for viewer. Then click on the top right on save. And now this particular end screen has been added. Now over here at the end, you guys can see that this particular video is going to have this particular end screen at the very end of this video, where YouTube is going to recommend similar content to the person who is going to be watching this video. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually add in an end screen or cards to promote similar content. So over here, you guys have the option for info cards. Simply click on info cards. And then after that, choose what you want to promote. Let's say it's a playlist. After that, choose your playlist. Let's say you have a playlist over here. Now, I don't have a playlist, but I will just simply choose a playlist from over here. And then after that, you guys can see that now I can also modify where this particular info card comes up. So over here, if I were to move this pointer to the start, it's going to pop up at the start. If I were to move it at the end, it's going to pop in at the end. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually add in info cards and also promote similar content. At the end, as always, hit save, and now it's going to be saved. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually add in info cards or promote similar content on your YouTube video by using an end screen. So guys, this was the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.